Hey, it's Scott from Grasses of Life. One of the things I enjoy doing most in the world is making my own products. And I'm going to show you today how to replace this and get to the end of the tube, trying to squeeze that last bit out and make your own toothpaste. It's a very simple process, and I'm going to use bentonite clay. We get this from the States and it's food grade certified clay, and I'm going to combine it with peppermint oil. It's so easy and you'll love it. Your teeth will love it. I have been using it for, I don't know, forever. And it's one of my favorite go-to products for various personal care products at home. Hair care, skin care, teeth care, foot care, bath care. You can go nuts with this stuff. So this is all we need to get started. We need 1 packet of bentonite clay, peppermint oil, an empty glass jar, a toothbrush with the end result to test it, and a spoon to mix it all together. So essentially what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the jar and I'm going to fill it with bentonite clay. And I'm just going to put as much as I want to use in here. This will go a long way, about 3 tablespoons. I'm going to put 4 in because I want to make a little bit. Once I've added the bentonite to the jar, I'm going to put in my drops of peppermint oil. I'm going to about 10 to 15 drops of the organic peppermint oil. I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to shake it. That's all it is. And it will be broken up. We'll just see if there's any lumps. If there's any lumps in there, it should be quite loose, free-flowing powder. The reason for shaking it is to break up the peppermint so that once we've put it in there, the peppermint doesn't stay in lumps and clumps and disperses evenly through the powder. And then when we're ready to go, we damp our toothbrush. This may gross some of you out, but that's why I only use a small amount. And I put it on my toothbrush and I brush with the dry powder on my tooth. If you want to go next level and don't want to dip it into powder, just add some water to that and shake again. And there you have your own DIY bentonite clay toothpaste.